Morning student. Today our topic is the law of equipartition energy. Very important article है, 3 और 5 marks में क्वेश्चन में पूछा जाता है. The law of equipartition of energy was first founded by the Maxwell. Later on the law was thoroughly investigated and extended by the Boltzmann by making use of the concept of the degree of freedom. According to the law of equipartition of energy, the mean of energy each degree of freedom of motion of the molecules of a dynamical system in thermal equilibrium is the same and is equal to 1 by 2 kT, where K is the Boltzmann constant and T is the absolute temperature of the system. Now, alternately क्या है, the law states the total kinetic energy of the dynamical system consisting of the large number of particles is equally distributed among its all the degree of freedom of motion of the particles. The energy associated with degree of freedom being equal to half kT. A simplified treatment of the derivation of the law of equipartition of the energy as follows. If we consider the perfect gas consists of the large number of molecules in thermal equilibrium, then it means the kinetic energy of each molecule should be the same. प्रीवियस सेक्शन में हम पहले जो पढ़ चुके हैं क्या है, काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द ट्रांसलेशन एसोसिएटेड विद ईच मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ द गैस इज गिवन बाय 1/2 mc² इजकल टू 3/2 kT. के यहाँ पर क्या है, R/N बोल्ट्जमैन कांस्टेंट. अकॉर्डिंग टू द मैक्सवेल थ्योरी in the steady state u square is equal to v square is equal to w square, where u, v and w are the average values of the components of the velocity of a molecule, and u square plus v square plus w square is equal to c square. Half mu square is equal to half mv square is equal to half mw square is equal to 1/3 1/2 mc square is equal to 1/3 into 3/2 kT. That means equal to half kT. That equation is the 3.13. As the three components refer to the coordinate axis and hence gives the number of degree of freedom, so therefore it is clear that for the gas in a thermal equilibrium, the mean kinetic energy per molecules per degree of freedom, that is half kT. That equation is 3.14. The law of equipartition energy is proved, and so we conclude that the mean kinetic energy per mole per degree of freedom, that is half kT into n, that is equal to half RT. N is the Avogadro number and R is equal to n into K. The law of equipartition of energy is found to apply at the room temperature and above, but it does not apply at very low temperature when gas is about to liquefied. ये हमारा वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, लॉ ऑफ इक्विपार्टीशन एनर्जी. इसकी डेफिनेशन भी पूछी जाती है पेपर में और इसका डेरिवेशन भी. आप इसको अच्छे से स्टडी करना. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस डे.